PSL Datatrack, production control software. Jeff, there's a number of these software solutions on the market, so why PSL?
Okay, yes, you're right. There are a vast array of systems that will go into manufacturing businesses, but they all have their own specialist areas that they focus on. Datatrack, we focus on subcontract precision engineers and all the nuances and their requirements exactly. That's what we do. That's what the system is all about.
You're not saying engineers have their own nuances. Okay, but is it set at different size companies?
It is, yeah. So our customers will range from a one-man band. Our largest customer employs 95 people. Now the requirements at different ends of the size of company, quite different.
Okay, so I'm thinking there straight away, just from testimonials and videos we've done, Tefla Turn, Sub CNC, Brown & Holmes moving up in terms of size. So Brown & Holmes, I suppose, they have their own nuances.
Effectively, so what you'll find with the smaller companies, less modules, more modules when you move into a larger arena, more customization in terms of reporting and so on. It's key to get information back out. That information is really powerful when it comes out.
Right, okay. So you've got that, but you guys, A, am I going to get a reliable system? So A, how long have you been going? And B, you know, you're upgrading it, you're changing it all the time to suit engineers' requirements. Are there going to be bugs? Is it going to crash?
Yeah, I understand. Well, obviously in software terms, that's always a possibility. So what do? We've been going over 30 years. The system goes through version control and it's fully tested before it goes out into the customer's arena. We have a huge number of configuration options. All of those get carefully tested.
Okay, excellent. So I've invested in your software. It's great. It's working smoothly. As an engineer, and also tapping on my shoulder is my accountant, what sort of return on investment will I get?
Yeah, quite a difficult thing to calculate, although we have seen some customers try and do it. One in particular quoted about £25,000 a year saving in admin costs. Right. And that's one way of doing it. Others have looked at the overall business benefits. Now, in terms of being able to respond to customer inquiries quicker.
Well, great example, Sub CNC, they said they're winning more business because they can quote so much quicker.
Yeah, and then what do you do off the back of that? You've got to then process all those orders, those more orders, in a more efficient manner, to then complete that loop of bringing more business in all the time and bringing in more machines.
Okay, so, and also in terms of admin, I've had people quote, I think Rob from AIM, 2 staff would be required to do the job that your software does.
Exactly, yeah, so you've got that direct saving. Okay,
that's fantastic. Now, I've invested in software, I've got this great return on investment or savings. Where to next? You know, I want to develop, what happens?
Okay, the system's under constant development because ideas never stop. Ideas that we have, ideas our customers have, demands that our customers' will put on them, and that all drives the system moving forward.
Okay, so people will say, I want to do this, so you'll have a wish list, but you'll also come up with ideas as well. So building that package to enhance profitability, efficiency for engineers.
It's all about driving improvement.
Excellent, nice little summary, PSL Datatrack.
Thank you, Colin.